Hi everybody, how are you today? Today I'm going to be working with a 12 by 12 inch canvas. What I'm looking at doing is something I haven't done in a long time. I'm going to do a reverse dip with some plastic wrap. I saved the plastic wrap from the canvas. Since it fits it perfectly, it should work out well. I've picked a few colors here. I have a violet, I have a purple red, I have a rouge, I believe this is a Master's Touch color, medium magenta, I have some turquoise green, and some cadmium yellow light hue. Just need to prepare my canvas with some white on the background. Okay, gonna give this a torch, get some of the air bubbles out. And I am going to start with my purple red. It's a big canvas. When you do a reverse dip, it's going to pull everything towards the center. So I'm going to start on the outside edges and move in. And instead of doing a ring, I'm going to do this in puddles. I want it to be large, so I'm going to start way on the outside like that. And then go in with some violet. Okay, go around the circle and put the next color on the inside edge. This is the rouge. And I think I might do another round of these colors. I didn't put my medium magenta in there. That's what's missing. I will put it in there now. And I'm just going to put a touch of green on the outer edges. Like that. Put a few dots of the cad yellow light in here. Okay. Now you want to carefully, because this is plastic, it wants to suck right up to it. Lay this down. Just want to remove any air bubbles that are in here. Make sure it has full contact with everything. Okay, here's our moment of truth. I'm going to pick it up corner to corner. Corner to corner. Oh, that's pretty where that green is. I'm going to give it a little twist in the middle. Set that off to the side. It's pretty. Just want to bring some of that yellow up. Okay, give it a torch. Some really pretty little cells coming up through here. Okay, there we go, guys. It's pretty simple. Bring it up close. You see the center? All these cool little cells in here. The different colors. Thanks for visiting with me. Appreciate it. Put something in the comments. Leave me pictures of your reverse dips. I'd like to see them. Just got a couple more little air bubbles in there. So we send a challenge out and see what we can come up with this. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Appreciate it. Bye.